Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about chikungunya disease, okay, in health problems and natural remedies. This is how it follows: list of concoctions, diet plan with millets, exercise, and what to avoid. Okay, so first week you have to take Bermuda grass. Take 4 to 5 leaves of Bermuda grass to make concoction, or 5 to 6, depending upon the size. Cam Chamomile tea, okay, chamomile tea. Second week, third week, Ruta graveolens. Okay, take 7 to 8 leaves to make concoction. Next, guava leaves, take 4 leaves to make concoction. Night jasmine, take 4 again. Indian mallow also 4 to 5. Next, chrysanthemum leaves. Okay, take 5 leaves to make concoction. No, 4 leaves or 3 leaves depending upon the size. First week Bermuda grass, second week chamomile tea, third week Rota graveolens, fourth week guava leaves, fifth week night jasmine leaves, sixth week Indian mallow leaves, seventh week chrysanthemum leaves. Okay. So if you do not find any one of the leaves, let's say you didn't get you do not have Indian mallow leaves. After fifth week, go to seventh week directly. Okay, and then repeat the sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay, that means after seventh week you have to go back to first week. 45 minutes to 1 hour gap is needed between concoctions and the next meal. That is another important note. Okay, you have to consume concoction on empty stomach, and you have to maintain this gap after the concoction. And anyway, you will be looking at how to make concoction using guava leaves. Okay, and at the end of the presentation, and that too, the process is same for any other leaf. Okay, any other leaf. Diet plan, you have to take foxtail millet food for 3 days. Okay, if you are eating for 2 meals, those 2 meals should have foxtail millets only. Like if you are taking for 3 meals, those 3 meals should have foxtail millets in your food, like that. Brown top for 3 days, little for 1 day, kodo for 1 day, barnyard for 1 day. Right, eat these millets alternately for this 9-day schedule. Repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. No rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. How to cook millets? Cook it either like rice or make millet porridge. Cooking it like rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on a open top or in a pressure cooker. Avoid pressure cooking if you have plenty of time. Making millet porridge. Use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Once it is cooked, now cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled. Okay. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then eat it. Okay. Exercise, I recommend you to do exercise also if you can. Okay. Not very compulsory. If you have pains, so many pains, don't do. If you do not have much pains, still walk for 1 hour minimum a day. Okay. Foods to avoid: milk and all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. If you want, you can consume uh, palm jaggery, honey, and dates. These are the alternatives for sugar and jaggery. Okay, that you can consume. If you want to add palm jaggery in the concoctions, that also you can do. Okay, wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets. You have to consume only whole millets. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, all ready-to-eat foods. Okay. Now you are going to look at how to make concoction. Okay. Hi guys. you have to take 3 to 4 leaves. 3 leaves of this size is enough to make concoction. Okay. uh, the middle ones are better. Okay. The tender ones are better actually. If you take new leaves, that is better to make this kashayam. Okay. uh, Simultaneously I am boiling the water. Okay. When the water is slightly boiled, at that time uh, you have to place these leaves in the boiling water. Okay. And then you have to boil it again for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Yeah, see guys, this much is sufficient. Okay. Now we are placing the leaves. Okay. Actually you can take only 3 leaves. 3 leaves is sufficient. Okay. And you have to close the vessel. Okay. And sorry boil in a medium flame only. Okay. Low to medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I will tell you the rest of the procedure is very simple. What you need to do is you need to keep this lid closed for about 5 minutes. Okay. After the boiling also. And then you have to you have to drink it sip by sip. Okay. When it is slightly warm. Okay. At the time you have to sip it spoon by spoon. Okay. And the water quantity is around 200 to 300 ml. Okay. I took 250 ml. Your wish. 200 to 300 ml is fine. Okay. That's it guys. Yeah, this is after boiling. Okay. I kept it aside for 5 minutes. Okay. That you have to do compulsorily. And I will show you the color also, the color of the water. Okay. When it is slightly boiled for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Now it is almost 5 minutes. Okay. Now I'm taking this away. Okay. The lid away. Now you can see the color of the water. Let me remove the leaves also. Okay. See, when there is small particles of the leaves, then you need to filter it using a tea filter, a filter similar to a tea filter. Okay. Otherwise no problem. These leaves are of no use now. Okay. You can see the leaves clearly. Now what you need to do, you can drink now only. Okay. By taking a spoon, sipping it slowly. Okay. Pour it in a glass and sip it slowly. Okay. That's it guys. This is how you have to make any kashayam. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing. You need to wash these leaves by using running water only. Okay. With water only. Okay. Before placing it in the boiled water. And one more thing also, if you cannot drink it just like that. Okay. You can add some palm sugar or palm jaggery. Palm jaggery is best. Okay. That's it guys. Thank you. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.